What's up, my people? What a go on? Welcome back to the channel, Rodney's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Now, people, it's been a while where you go up on YouTube, and as you go up on there, all you see people are do. Not everybody. All you see some people are do is chastise Colaz, and them talk all kind of something about Colaz, and you know, people even go as far as say Colaz build house pan dead left land. Colaz pay people extortion money. Colaz use the guys them. You know, people say a lot of things. Now, this here video is a video I will take you back in time about Colaz. There's some clips, some little things that Colaz did that just breathtaking, that you find one YouTuber in a Jamaica I do so much for people all over the world, because even though him not give everybody money, but at the same time him a give everybody a way of going fishing. Yes, him a give you, him a tell you, say, go do it, do the thing. Him a say everything with it, which is what all of us need to hear as a human being, as a person, as a YouTuber, living our life every day. So, on the behalf of myself and other people, here is some clips of Colaz and who Colaz Smith is. Colaz Smith TV. So just watch the videos. Just keep watching them. Laugh about them, cry about them, and feel good about them, because remember, we have Colaz TV, Colaz Smith TV. If you congratulate for all what I do and everything. So, hear me now, my people. Watch this video. And remember to like, share, and subscribe, you know, so that the channel can grow. Help me build the channel. Help me grow the channel so that we can be successful in life and our endeavor. So, respect, manners. Remember, if you're not nothing good to say, don't say a word. Peace and love.
Waking up dizzy in the morning, we fight a lot, don't even know about what. I just want you to leave, darling. It's my only hope. Can't you see our time is up? I don't want to start over. Finally some peace and quiet since you left, so don't bother. This is our
Seymour family. First time meeting them, but you know they know us because they've been watching the channel. So you know, you can introduce yourself.
My name is Faustina Laborde.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So I'm gonna hand over the mic to Asia.
I remember.
This is Melinda.
Melinda. Right. And the other one is Milana.
Yeah, but she's not here with us today. She
Twins?
no, they're not.
You look really alike too.
And the other one, my son, he's in Union. He's working on the guns.
Right. So I mean, we already seen that you look really excited. But how excited are you?
Yes, I am very excited. I am very excited to see the team, you know, seeing them in person, meeting them for the first time, because we've been following them for quite a while and so forth, you know. And before I wasn't able to subscribe because I was watching it on this TV, and then we couldn't do it. Then my daughter put it in on the phone for me, so yeah. Able to subscribe after. When you guys came to send me some,
All right. So so basically, you know, we brought some stuff for you guys. You know, we heard about what happened to you. I just wanted to, you know, just to come back. I mean, the first time we were here, you know, we got so much love from, the people of St. Vincent and the Grenadines. So this now, seeing everything was just heartbreaking, and we decided that we had to come back and reach out back to the people. So actually, you are the first persons that we are here giving back to. Yes, so the team over in St. Vincent, they are the ones who pointed out that we should come. So big up Marshmallow, Asia, Shanique, and Mr. Sopida. Yeah. One other person is missing. What's her name? Antonio. Okay. All right. So I guess they will, know more about. So I'm gonna hand back over to them.
Okay, guys. So we're here with the Simeon family, as the others said. They're huge fans. Maybe the personality and the extraness will come out in a few. Yeah, but they know every song in the book, every song. So Colaz is here today with his team and also the Vincentian team, and we're going to get back some products. We have a lot of stuff to get back. So remember to go ahead and click the subscribe button. Yeah, like, to make sure that more good deeds can come on like this, yeah? All right. So I guess it's the handover now. Yeah.
Chang man them pan the truck. What way I take off? What way I take off?
It's slipping, right?
So you want give them and then we get more, like.
Oh, we can do that. Let me talk about it.
Okay. Alright guys, so we have some pillows. Yeah. Alright guys, so yeah man, this is what we're doing now. Getting the stuff inside, so we have some mattress and also some pillowcase, pillow and other stuff. In Jamaica. As you can see, Baby Oprah Foundation doing awesome job. Because sometimes, trust me, sometimes we just need a helping hand. If you can't even donate, send up a prayer, and somebody, God will lay it on somebody's heart to, step in, So I walk with my donation today. Yeah, I'm making the first step. Donating to the cause, and I want to inspire you guys to do the same. All right. On behalf of Colaz TV,
Yeah.
I want to present. Well,
Wow.
Before we even show it, let me kind of give you a little story behind it. So I was in the place. I promised to pledge $100,000, right?
We're thankful.
And I was inside of the place getting this draft up, and I write like a wrong figure on it. And when I look at the figure, I say, what are this for right? 100,000, you say me I do. Anyways, I just say, alright, maybe God wants it that way here, so I'm gonna leave it. And so this is the figure that I'm.
Are you serious? This is so unexpected. Thank you so much. This is so unexpected. Oh my God. Thank you.
Say most of your furniture them gone because everything wet up. You don't know water and sun things get dry rot, all of that. Whole heap of damages. See? So as I said today, over here, Colaz TV will just taking the opportunity to drive around and give back in the form of some zincs, and just take a look around the place right now. As you can see, a lot of houses without roofs. You see me? but we are trying to give back to the smaller man, you know, if you understand what I mean. We're giving back to persons who we know. Looking at the yard there, it's a pool over there. I don't know where all this water come from. Maybe it come from the sea. So, Jano, you know, pretty down here at all. Yeah? And we're just doing this to start them back off. Because we know so them have a whole lot of rebuilding to do. It must be frustrating. It must be hard on the pocket. So, we're going to use to say one cocoa full basket. Well, this is our one cocoa in giving back to the people of Treasure Beach. And on behalf of Jamaica, Treasure Beach, Colaz TV, we just want to appeal to more persons, entertainers, business people, you know, everybody who is in a position where them can give. Every mickle make a muckle. So just reach down in a, yeah man, go down in a pocket them man, and do what you can do. So far we give couple household well, some zinc already, we still have some more back to give left, and we're coming out. So I'm there again guys, just come to check up on Shanna Davis. Alright, so a couple weeks or probably months ago, we put out a video seeking some assistance for her to do brain surgery. She have a tumor growing behind her left eye, and she urgently needs help with getting surgery to remove that tumor. You know, to remove a tumor that's growing on the was it left side or left side? Yeah, of her head, and kind of causing her eye to push forward. All right, since that video, we have raised I think 6,800 and odd USD. All right, so we have a GoFundMe set up for her. You know, it's public, so all you guys can go. Anytime Colaz call for Miss Little at kitchen, guys, a team, you know, them always there. Alright, right now we just wrap up on massive cooking, probably the biggest cooking we ever have. And trust me, couldn't do it without Miss Little, Punte, and my team as well. But trust me, I tell you, never say Miss Little, and Miss Little say no. You know?
But I can't do it.
Yeah. So right now, I have a gift to present to Miss Little at kitchen. Alright. So then can start flying now.
What?
Take off to the sky. See that?
That is it, man.
No?
Yeah. So Larry, you have to work that one out.
Teeth with flying up.
Check in, by the way, let's see what I go on.
That's not good.
Yeah, man. I full package. You know, if you don't want to pull, you don't have to pull it. See, the seal and everything.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. DJ, minute.
Bird.
That's it.
That is it.
Colaz,
Gone to the sky, you know.
thank you so
Yes,
much.
man. Yes, man. Yeah,
For
man.
this lovely gift. I know
Yeah.
you don't know how to fly.
We teach
But
you how to fly, man. How yourself.
You teach me to fish already.
Yeah.
So you have to teach me to fly.
All right,
Big up
that is
yourself,
it, that
Colaz.
is it.
One love.
Yes, yes, yes.
One love, Colaz.
Big up yourself.
And we appreciate this a whole lot.
Yeah,
Although
man.
we say we can't fly.
Yeah.
But
But eventually.
thank you
Eventually.
so much.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.